Okay. Okay, let me consider the first module here. First module is the overview of the digital design system with the Verilog HDL completely. We will be studying the complete overview of the subject. Evolution of the CAD design. CAD is nothing but the design tool. Okay, computer aided design tool here. Okay, and also here the emergence of the HDLs, typical design flow. Okay, importance of the HDLs in our real time also, how we will be implementing, and also popularity of the Verilog HDL, how now it is coming nowadays, very popularity in the Verilog code as the, and also trends in the HDLs, trends in the HDLs also. First we'll study that today's for the evolution of the overview of the digital system and also evolution of the CAD design also. Okay, this is the somewhat completely theory is there of the model, completely theory about the HDL subject. Complete our syllabus is there completely theoretical is there. Okay, first one will consider the evolution of the computer aided design. Okay, the digital system circuits were designed usually with the help of what the gates itself, as you already know, the AND gates, OR gate, and also NOT gate, basic gates. Even the so many derived gates are also there, XOR gate, XNOR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, so many are there. But our basic gates are, which are those? AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Okay, before this gates invention, earlier days we are doing what they are the vacuum tubes. Okay, before the transistors invention, we are doing what the implementation before the transistors and also even resistors. We are implementing these type of help of with the what are the vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇವಾಗ early days system was our computer is the big room, ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೂಮ್ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ವು ಅಂತ. ಅಂತ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ in this in such a earlier days where we are implementing these digital system with the help of for the vacuum tubes. ಯಾವುದಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes, and also we will be implementing this on digital systems with the help of the transistors also. Transistors also. Okay, transistors also. First, our digital systems usually implemented with the earlier days with the help of what the vacuum tubes and also even the transistors also. When the hierarchical design, these are the designs will be used. Okay, transistors will be implemented on these with the IC chips itself. IC chips. There are three types of chips. Are ICs are integrated circuits. One is called the SSL. Okay, one is called the SSL. Another one is what the third one is the LSI, fourth one is the VLSI. Okay, in the SSI means for the small scale integrated circuits. Small scale integrated circuits, we are using only what the few number of very small count of gates we are using. Small number, only small number means what the very less number of gates we are using. This means what the, this is what the small scale integrated circuits. What is this? Small scale integrated circuits. Just to write. Okay, there is how many number of gates we are using? Few numbers, very countable. Early days, very few number of gates we are using. Okay, in the MSI is nothing but the medium scale integrated circuits. What is that? Medium scale integrated circuits. Medium scale integrated circuits. Okay, there we will be using the hundreds of transistors here, hundreds of gates. Here very number, few numbers means 10 to 20. Okay, here the in the MSI is nothing but the medium scale integrated circuits. Okay, this one here the how many numbers of gates we are using? Be hundreds, only hundreds together. Okay, if you come to the large scale integrated circuits. LSI is nothing but the large scale integrated circuits. Okay, ICs, LSI circuits. Okay, here the thousands of, okay, thousands, okay, thousands of gates we are using, thousands of gates we are using. What the, here the few numbers of gates, here the hundreds of gates, and the here the thousands of gates you are writing, you are using with the very large scale integrated circuits. This one, the VLSI is nothing but the very large scale integrated circuits, very large scale integrated circuits. In this we are using how many number of gates. Complexity is, if the my digital design system is very complex, then definitely I'll go with what the VLSI design. Means what, very large scale integrated circuits IC chip ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ತಗೋತಿದ್ವಿ. Okay, here the how many gates we are using, thousands of gates, lakhs together gates. Okay, lakhs together gates we are using here to implement the digital design system. Okay, these earlier days vacuum tubes and the transistors are implemented in the ICs. ICs ಅಷ್ಟರದಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. In the ICs, okay, come to the, in the ICs there are four types of ICs are there. One is what, the SSI, small scale integrated circuits. Here the very few number of integrated gates we are using, 10 to 20 ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 10 to 20 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದೇ ನೀನು medium scale integrated circuit ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ MSI, here we are using the only the hundreds of transistors, sorry, hundreds of gates we are using. With the large scale integrated circuits we are using what, the thousands of large gates. Means what, thousands of large gates. With the very large scale integrated circuit, VLSI, okay, very large scale integrated circuit, if you have the, our digital system is very complex, then definitely we need what, the more number of gates here. Such as complex design digital